Trying to track me down. Say they wanna bring I in guilty for the killing of a deputy, for the life of a deputy. And I said, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot your deputy. And I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot your deputy. Sheriff John Brown always hate I for what I don't know. Every time I plant a seed, he said kill it before it grows. He said kill it before it grows. And so and I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot your deputy. And I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot your deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. And I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot your deputy. Freedom came my way one day. I started out of town, yeah. And all of a sudden I saw Sheriff John Brown aiming to shoot me down, aiming to shoot me down. So I shot him down. Lord, yes, I shot him down. Shot him down. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy.